Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play old versions of games on Steam. Many players enjoy revisiting classic builds for nostalgia, mod compatibility, or to experience content removed in later updates. We'll explore two primary methods to achieve this, ranging from straightforward in-client options to more advanced techniques. Understanding these steps will allow you to unlock a wider range of gaming experiences. Let's dive in and get those older game versions running smoothly on your system. The simplest way to access older game versions is through Steam's built-in beta branches feature. First, locate your game in the Steam library and right-click it, then select Properties. In the window that appears, click on the Betas tab. Here, you might find a drop-down menu offering various older builds or beta versions. Select the one you wish to play and Steam will automatically download it. Remember, this option is only available if the game's developer has provided these older branches. For games without public beta branches, a more advanced method involves the Steam console. You'll first need to enable the console and then visit a community database like SteamDB. There, you can find the specific app ID, depot ID, and manifest ID for the game version you desire. With these three pieces of information, you'll use a special command in the Steam console to download the old game files. After downloading, you'll manually replace your current game files with these older ones. When attempting to play older game versions, keep a few key points in mind. Always back up your game's save files before making any changes, as version differences can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Not every game will have accessible beta branches, and the console method requires careful attention to detail. Community forums and guides can be invaluable resources for specific game versions or troubleshooting. With a little patience, you can successfully revisit many classic gaming experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.